Hello there, beautiful person. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. For today's video, I decided to do a very light cleaning of my fiance's house because I'm such an amazing fiance and I wanted to help him out. So I really hope that you guys like this video. So let's go ahead and get started with this clean with me. To start off this video, I went ahead and started doing a little bit of light dusting because we have a Decor who is a German Shepherd and his hair is everywhere, especially right now that it's summer. So I wanted to go ahead, take some dust off, make sure there was less dog hair than there was before. So I went ahead and started dusting off just to help with allergies and stuff because I get allergies. So sometimes when I come over, I sneeze a lot. So I'm just dusting off the blinds and such, and then I went ahead and started to dust off this little couch area that we have here. So I just kind of used the pillows, take off some Decor hairs, and of course I added a little bit of Febreze. This is the doggy version, just to make sure that there's no odors here and to make sure that it smells good. Next, I went ahead and moved on to the couches. So here, Decor loves to hang out with Spencer. He just likes to lie down. He likes to jump on the couches. So I really had to go in with the pillows and make sure that I got rid of as much dog hair as possible. So I went ahead, dusted that off. Guys, I didn't record myself sweeping, but you should have seen the amount of dog hair that I had to collect after this. I just completely forgot. But anyways, I'm just dusting things off here, and then of course I'm going to go in with a little bit of Febreze again and just Febreze this area all around the couch, and then also the carpets and all of that stuff, just to make sure that we get rid of odors and everything is smelling in tip-top shape. Lastly, I went over to the kitchen. I started to dust off appliances. I decided to go ahead and clean up this counter space because this is kind of like a catch-all for Spencer. Like, he comes in and he leaves his stuff around, so I went ahead, put some of that away. And then I also decided to go ahead and, you know, just clean off the appliances and all of that good stuff. I really had to go in on this counter space though because it was a little bit sticky. I think something spilled and he didn't notice, so I had to go in twice. But that's pretty much what I'm doing, just cleaning off. I also cleaned off the stove and stuff, but just really light cleaning. And then after this, I went ahead and decided to help him kind of unload the dishwasher. He was really tired this day, honestly, guys, and I just wanted to be a little bit helpful. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys liked it. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you like this talk through while I'm doing a clean with me. Usually I just let the video go and play music. Let me know down below. But thank you so much for watching. I really do hope that you join the family, and I see you and your beautiful face in my next video. Bye, beautiful person.